everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Exness to Tradingview. Visit the Tradingview website or open the Tradingview app on your device. If you already have a Tradingview account, log in using your credentials. If not, sign up for a new account. Once logged in, navigate to the charting interface. This is where you can view and analyze financial markets. In Tradingview, go to the Trading Panel or Brokerage section, usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. Search for Exness in the list of supported brokers. If Exness is available, select it. Follow the prompts to connect your Exness trading account to Tradingview. You may need to enter your Exness account credentials or API keys, depending on the integration method. Tradingview will likely ask for authorization to access your Exness account data. Grant the necessary permissions to allow Tradingview to fetch market data and execute trades on your behalf if you intend to use these features. Once connected, you can customize your charts, add technical indicators, draw trend lines, and perform technical analysis using Tradingview's tools and features. If you have enabled trading capabilities through Tradingview, you can place trades directly from the platform using your connected Exness account. Keep track of your positions, monitor market movements, set alerts, and manage your trading activities within Tradingview. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.